I'm going to remove our example HTML and CSS. So I'll remove that and save it. I'll remove our CSS from play. Save that and refresh in the browser. So it can be a little tricky inspecting this element since every time you click on it, it changes the state from displaying or not displaying. But we can at least inspect this element and take a look at the classes and structures here to see what might be the element that we want to adjust. So I'm thinking that this select eyes dropdown sounds about right. And if we set the display to not none, we see it dropped down. So now if we were going to try to fix this problem with z-index, what we would do is add the z-index property, and we'd set it to some really high number just to see if that solved the issue. Because if a high number won't do it, then a low number definitely won't do it. So when we do that, it doesn't seem to do anything. Now this could be because it doesn't have positioning set on it. So if we set position to absolute, or we set it to relative, we would see it display some different ways, but none of them are quite giving us what we want. So it's possible that this particular scenario isn't solvable by z-index.